Just watch and see the incredible things that is going to happen here. What you are seeing here is the best and the most trusted method of staircase that is changing the way contractors and construction workers and house builders are using to build their houses. This method is saving a lot in building. Just keep watching and see for yourself. Now, what they do is this: they go to a welder and weld this staircase, these stairs you're seeing here. These stairs you're seeing here does not use cement. There is absolutely no cement, no concrete at all. Just keep watching and see everything that is playing out here step by step. So if you're looking for a better way of saving costs in building, and you know, decking staircases can cost a lot. It can eat a lot of cement and the rest of them. But this new method of staircase is changing. This is innovative. This is massive. This is incredibly amazing. Just keep watching and see for yourself. Now, one of the advantages of this method is that it saves cement, it saves time, and it saves a lot of resources when it comes to decking of staircase. But again, if you are planning to use this type of staircase in your house, just know that the walls have to be very strong. The blocks you used in building these houses must be very efficient and strong. It won't look like that of when you are building in Nigeria, where you know that the blocks in Nigeria are not very strong. Not even the concrete are even strong. Just keep watching and see for yourself. Now you're going to see the finishing of this house. Now you can see that the glasses are being knitted very, very clean and perfect. Just keep watching and see what is happening here. Just keep watching. Now, this new method of of staircase decking is changing everything completely. Now you can see that there is space, enough space under the staircase. Now you can even use under the staircase to do other things in the house. Now, unlike where you used the normal concrete decking for staircase, whereby after they had finished decking, you see that the under the staircase has no little or no space at all. But with this new method of decking, you can see how strong and how beautiful it is looking. Just keep watching everything that is playing out here step by step. Share this video wherever you are watching. This is amazing. This is a new method of decking staircase that is changing the way people are building their houses, and everything that is playing out here saves time, saves cost, saves resources, and saves energy even. Now watch and see the wall of this building, and you can see that this is one of the strongest buildings you are going to see in your entire life. Just watch and see for yourself. So if you're considering to use this new method of decking staircase, just make sure that the wall of the house is as strong as anything, that the concrete they use in building the house is as efficient and as strong as anything you can imagine. Share this video wherever you are watching. This is incredibly amazing. This is amazing. This is one of the best methods of decking staircase you will see in your entire life. Just watch and see the finishing of this house. This is incredible. This is amazing. Wow.